Hi, my name is Halima Juma. I am from Pongoya in Mombasa. I am currently a student in university doing BCom, and I'm also a digital literacy graduate from Pwani Teknowgalz. I heard about this training program from my friend who referred me to join it, and I saw it as an opportunity for me to upgrade my digital skills. Digital literacy has been quite a difficult journey to me, I can say that, because before joining the digital literacy program at Pwani Teknowgalz, I joined another institution which was also offering digital literacy skills, but I was not satisfied with the skills that I got from the institution. Then, besides that, I also had a challenge in the university. I could not do some online units because I had no digital skills. I was just scared I couldn't do them. But after also joining the digital literacy, in Pwani Teknowgalz, I was also facing some challenges. I could not balance between going to my evening classes at university and also coming to the classes during the day. It was sometimes overwhelming, but what really motivated me is that I knew these skills are the key to my future and I needed to keep on going and learning. At Pwani Teknowgalz, I have been able to learn skills such as Excel, I've been able to learn research project, I've been able to learn about graphic design and digital marketing. Graphic design has been my best skill ever that I've learned in Pwani Teknowgalz, because right now I can confidently say that I am able to create a poster, a logo for a brand. These skills have really helped me a lot because Pwani Teknowgalz has really made me feel 100% confident that I am more capable of handling digital tools efficiently and effectively. The digital skills that I've learned, I believe that they will 100% impact me in my future and in my current study at school, because the research project that I have learned in digital skills is going to help me in my final project in my university. And also besides that, the digital skills that I have gained will help me create my opportunity where I'll be earning and also be able to support my parents. For any young girl out there who is scared to join the tech world, I would like to advise you that you should not limit yourself, because there is no one who was meant specific for this technology education. Anyone can do it. Do not limit yourself. Be curious and join them, because no one is perfect. Don't be scared of making mistakes. And also remember that the only thing that is limiting your success is the word start. So decide today.